Today's video, we're going to be working with the Paper and Petal kit, and this is what we're going to be making. We're going to be making a one-sheet folio, right? And this is how it opens up. This is one flap, like this. Then it has this, lets down, pocket, and a belly band, right? And then we have a belly band on the back, which I'm going to show you right now. And we have a belly band, okay? First thing you're going to do is you're going to fold it in half. And I usually fold it in half just so I can know where to cut. So I'm going to cut this. Now we have two pieces, right? And so since I like this pattern, I'm going to fold this one over like this, right? Just fold it in half. I am going to round the corners. I think I'm going to round this corner, but not this corner. Okay. Right. Okay, so we have that. And then we have this piece. Okay, so I'm taking a little bit off because I want these to be the flaps, right? So I'm going to this whole thing right here. So I am going to cut it at 4 1/8, right? So I'll just have a strip right there. I cut it down, right? And then we have this little piece left. And what we're going to do is we're going to fold it again, right? And I'm just going to cut right here. Okay. Just, y'all, not even 1/8 of an inch. This is just barely, just like this little strip right here is all I cut off, right? Okay, so now we have two pieces for our flaps. Easy. Okay, so now what we're going to do is, I'm trying to think. Okay, this is going to go like this. So when you open it up, that'll be right side up. Right, so we're going to fold that over like this. Just like that. And then since we're folding it, we're going to add a little bit of gusset in there. Okay. And then this one is going to go down at the bottom like this. Right. And then I'm going to get my scoreboard and I'm going to add 4-inch gusset lines on either side of the main crease. Okay. And then I'm going to add a 4-inch little gusset right here and right there. The score marks made. Now I'm going to just chunk my corners, right? You don't have to do this, but I think it just adds to the folio effect. And then this is going to go right here. So we're going to glue this one right here and make sure, no, because we're going to glue that at the bottom. We're going to glue this one at the top. So when you open it, the words can at least kind of make sense. You know what? You should probably ink this before you put it together. But I am not. I'm just going to show you how to put it together. And then we're going to ink off camera because I think it takes too long. So do this part like this. Right? Y'all, this has got to be the easiest folio. I probably should have did this one first, but I wanted to do the front cover first so you guys can see how it's going to look, right? And then put that right here, like this, right? Easy. Okay, there you go, there you go, and there you go. Look how cute, and look how easy that was, right? Now, what we have, right, I sewed around everything, and this is how we're going to design it, okay? So, in the inside, I just took that leftover strip that we had, and I made some little gussets, and we're going to put that right here. This is going to be a belly band, okay? This envelope from the kit is going to go in the inside like this, right? And the reason why I put little flaps on the ends is so that it can give it a little bit more space, a little bit more wiggle room, and it won't be so snug, right? So that is how that is going to go, right? Then right here, we are using a cutoff piece from the first project, and I'm just going to put that right here, right? And I'm going to put this pocket on top of there. So we'll have a pocket right here and a pocket right here, okay? And then with these flaps, what I'm going to do with these two flaps right here and right here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this that came with the kit. I'm going to cut it in half. I'm going to use one as a bottom pocket and one as a top pocket. And I'm going to make sure I cut it down to fit, okay? So that is what we're going to do there. All right. And then right here, this is just one of the postcards from the kit. I cut it and I tore it, and it is going to be a pocket right here, right? And then right down here, this was the like ephemera little page that she has in the kit, and I just folded it into an envelope, and that is going to go here, right? Okay. And then on the front, we have this. This is from the kit, and all I did was scored it to where it fit on the front cover, right? Left some little flaps. This is from the kit as well, and all I did was make it into a pocket with flaps, and that is going to go right here, and that is going to be it. Well, one more thing. On the back, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some labels, things like this in the back to kind of cover up this seam, and then down here I'm going to put a little belly band right here, because in my prototype I glued it on, but I wanted to make it to where that you can detach the folios, so it's going to be able to slide on the part that I detached it to in the original. Okay, so I'm going to show you what it looks like when I am completely done sewing everything and putting it together. We're not going to decorate this one. We're going to decorate it at the end. I think that is the best way to do it, all once everything is put together. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to do the back. So this was one of the pieces in the strip, and I just cut it down to fit this, right? And we're just going to glue it down as a belly band at the bottom. And when we're done, you'll see why. But I'm sure you have already seen what it looks like completed. So if you have watched all the other videos, then you know. Okay, so that is going to go right there, right? And then I just inked up a few other things, nothing serious. These are just labels from the paper collection. Just put that right there, right? We're going to put this one right here. Put this up here. And let's move that like that. I think that works. Yeah, right? Okay, we're going to close it. Now, you can close it like this if you want to, which I really think is cute, so we'll do that. You don't have to do it the other way. We'll do that. I think that's cute. Right? And I have this clip, and that is how we're going to close it. So, perfect. Perfect. I think it's so perfect. Okay, so in the next video, we'll be doing the covers.